Okay, in this question, it is given that the function fx is equal to x by 10 if x is divisible by 10. Else, fx would be x plus 1 if x is not divisible by 10. Now, it is given that a0 is 1993 and an plus 1 is equal to f of an. So we have to find out the smallest value of n for which an would be equal to 1. Alright. Okay, so it is given that if x is equal to x by 10 when x is divisible by 10, else it would be x plus 1 when x is not divisible by 10, right? It is also given that a0 is 1993 and an plus 1 is equal to f of an, right? Okay, so now since a0 is equal to 1993, a1 would be f of a0 as per the relationship given. Now that means it will be f of 1993. Now 1993 is not divisible by 10. So it should be 1993 plus 1, which would be equal to 1994. Similarly, a2 would be f of a1, which will be equal to f of 1994. Now this 1994 is not divisible by 10, so it will be 1994 plus 1, which will be 1995, right? Similarly, a3 would be 1996, a4 would be 1997, a5 would be 1998, a6 would be 1999, and a7 will be 2000, right? Now once we come to a7, which is equal to 2000, we see that 2000 is divisible by 10. So next value I'm writing here on the right hand side, a8 would be equal to 2010 by 10 as per the relationship given. So 2000 by 10 will be equal to 200. Again 200 is divisible by 10. So a9 would be 200 by 10, which will be equal to 20. Again 20 is divisible by 10, so a10 will be 20 by 10, which will be equal to 2. So till a10 we got the value as 2. Okay, so next I'll just delete some of the part. All right, so value of A10 we got as 2. Now this 2 is not divisible by 10, so that means A11 would be 2 plus 1, that is 3. A12 would be 4, right? So A13 would be 5, A14 would be 6, A15 would be 7, A16 would be 8, A17 would be 9, A18 would be 10. Now this 10, value of A18 is divisible by 10. So next A19 will be equal to 10 by 10, which is equal to 1. So that means smallest value of n smallest value of n for which an is equal to 1 is n equal to 19. All right. So option A is the correct choice.